You don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a reverse double cut crease. Right, so let's just get straight into that. So I'm just going in with some blue eyeshadow, blending that out until I'm okay with the coverage. Right,
Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want.
so I cut my crease and now I'm going in with colors. So I'm using this neon green and just placing that right in the inner corner. I'm blending that, and then I'll be going in with pink. I should have used orange first, but I don't know how to take out the pink, and I applied the pink, and then I was like, I should have used the orange. I'm like, it's just gonna work, and we will make it work.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I'm wanting her more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ bad man point the instrumental. Give me them one time. It's okay. Bad Monty go take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away.
So now we'll cut the crease again, and we're going to apply the same colors, but we're doing it in the reverse. So we're starting with the purple, then the orange, then the pink, and then the green. Right?
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah.
Guys, while you're applying each color, ensure that you're blending both colors together, because you don't want a harsh line in your eyeshadow. So just blend both colors together to get a nice smooth finish.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want. And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I.
So it's time to get into the full face makeup. You guys know my foundation routine, so we're just going to go straight in that.
Be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. On to Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. You don't know. VQ's bad man, punch instrumental, giving you one time. It's okay. Bad bunty will take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away.
It's the original bad man.
Original bad man. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated, like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Original bad man. Oh.
It's VQs.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving.
So I'm just finishing up the lips, and that's basically the end of the video, guys. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend, and feel free to comment down below, guys. Look at that, look, I did that. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Bye, guys.
So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling.